What is going on, guys? So what today we are doing to this Honda Rancher, we are installing 28-inch Mega Mayhem tires and new wheels. Those are the size 28 by 9 12, and the stock ones are 24 by 8 12. So definitely 4 inches bigger. I'm gonna do some more mudding on these. I'll just install them real quick. Well, there it is. Mega Mayhem tires, 1.5-inch lugs. Definitely put a higher and better look on this Honda Rancher. Man, I can't wait to take it off-roading now. And these old stock tires. Dang, it really does look nice. What's good, you guys? The 28-inch does not rub anywhere. Nope, ain't rubbing. Perfectly good, not rubbing anywhere. Yep, put my hand all around it, it's all good. Nice, no rub. Perfect, 28 by 9s. With 12-inch rims. Great. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.